If you're seeing error code 429 in Roblox, don't worry. You're not banned or hacked. Let's break it down and fix it in just a few steps. What is error 429? This error usually means you're sending too many requests to the Roblox servers. Way too fast. It's kind of like Roblox saying, "Whoa, slow down a bit." How to fix it? Step 1. If you're on a browser, close and reopen it. This clears any stuck processes that might be sending repeated requests. Step 2. Then clear your cache. Click the three dots in the upper right side. Then scroll down, click Settings. In the left side, click Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data. And then click Delete Data. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. A laggy connection can cause Roblox to keep retrying, which leads to error 429. If none of those work, it might be a temporary Roblox server issue. Check Roblox's status page or Twitter for any updates. In most cases, the error clears up within 15 to 30 minutes. Don't spam clicks or refresh Roblox too fast. This helps prevent error 429 from happening again. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.